情
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在让我们来收听精彩的客家音乐创作。
Hey there, it's time for another Hakka song on ICRT. I'm Joseph Lin, and here comes iColor with a song called Sai or Migration, because the Hakka ancestors actually traveled around the world and even settled in Jamaica. So have you ever wondered what would Hakka and Raggae sound like? Well, it's gonna sound a little like this.
Sai con Hakka hop ba, ba san con, can sing chung ngồi chung zai, sai con chúc tổ thái con, xiêm yi cha yu ho gang chung gai chi phong. Once upon a long ago, a grand folk sang a sad folk song. Call me Danny, let's reunite and sing. Sai theo Hakka ngin, hem mo hiam, ta biang ka chim shim me. Sai theo Hakka ngin. 东区色家乡破雪嘅聲音 Hakka our sweetest home Know that I'll never be alone Call me Akim, Hakka Akim I call it my music 對山度對福嘛將將 Hakka song Taiwan is where I live and you're more than welcome 東西南北嘅三分星所在Hakka in all around the whole world 看見老人會上夢莫安對睇見祖宗人唱萬台一朝他鄉愛家鄉Hakka ngin, hen mo hiam, ta biang ka chim shim me, sai te Hakka ngin, đông chuyên sa ca hyong po shue ka sing Hakka our sweetest home, know that I'll never be alone. Call me Akim, Hakka Akim, I call it my music. 對山度對福嘛將將 Hakka song. Taiwan is where I live and you're more than welcome.
客家族群真的是遍布天下，连远在加勒比海的牙买加也有客家移民的身影哦。爱客乐的歌曲《塞》就是把历史写进音乐，而且呢还融入了一些英语歌词哦，来表现出音乐无国界。Well, I hope you like that Hakka Reggae for you, brought to you by iColor 爱客乐 called Sai, and that is today's Hakka song. I'm Joseph Lin. See you next time.
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.